The texture load function in trueSpace is simple. Just press the material editor icon to open the base panel. You can open setting panels for all channels by using the small icons on top, or just open all channels at once by pressing the small blue arrow on the right hand side. All information is set in groups. We have the color panel and the high field simulation called bump, and of course the reflection channel. We can turn our material into a light by clicking this small bulb icon. Important for our course is the load function for pictures that become our color texture. Open the color shader library with right click onto the color selection field. For us, the texture map shader is important. It's the one with the Caligari logo on it. It represents the picture that we would like to use for coloring our texture. If we want to change it, we have to right or left click onto it. I start with the load function that pops up when I press the left mouse button. It opens the trueSpace preview panel to identify textures by look. It's handy sometimes if you don't remember the name of your picture exactly, but it takes some time for making the thumbnails for bigger pictures or large directories. There are some settings you can use to set the dialog the way you like it. Please refer to the manual to check every button function. I skip this to go to the right button load function. This button will call the standard Windows Open dialog, a very fast and well-known load function. Well, you can use this load option on every channel you like, for example for this bump map channel. And of course for the reflection shader as well. First, I have to select the Mapped function shader to have a shader which can handle pictures as maps. I can set the values by using the slider or load a map that represents the shader values within the picture by clicking onto the small boxes on the left hand side. You see that you can use two fast load modes to get your textures. Right and left mouse click to load something into the material editor.